Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the chapter rational number. We were exercise 9.1 we had completed. Now let's start with exercise 9.2. In this we will do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the rational number. So let's proceed with that. Firstly, let's learn how to add the rational number. For adding the rational number, denominator should be same. Here, in both the terms, denominator is same. So 5 by 4 plus minus minus. Now, take LCM. LCM is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 5s are 5. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 into 11 is 11. Minus 6 by 4. Plus minus minus. Minus kar diya. 11 minus 5 is 6. Sign will be of the greatest, that is minus. Cancel it out. 3, 2. So answer is minus 3 by 2. Five by 3 plus 3 by 5. Here in this second part, denominator is not same. So you will take LCM of denominators to make their denominator same. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So LCM of these two terms is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 3s 9. So after adding, you will get 34 by 15. So one more thing I want to tell you here is whenever you are getting improper fraction, you will always change it to mixed fraction. Otherwise, mark will be deducted. Because this thing we have already learned in chapter number 2, fractions and decimal. Wherever the improper fraction is given, you use to change it to the mixed fraction. So you have to change this mixed improper fraction to mixed fraction because it is already in the improper form. So it will not be written in the question. You have to do it at your own because it's compulsory to change improper fraction into fractions or rational number into mixed fraction. So here also you will change the answer minus 1 1 by 2. Here 15 2s are 2 4 by 15. Is it okay? So please do the third part. I am waiting for you. You please all solve the third part. And if you will have any doubt, I can explain it again.
मैम कल के टेस्ट में सारा चैप्टर आएगा?
This rational number? Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, complete chapter.
Okay.
So today I
Okay.
will complete it. Or maybe it will take one more period, but I hope this will complete today. Okay. So after completing this chapter, tomorrow you have test of this chapter. The test will be in the form of MCQ. Okay. MCQ's test is there that you will get at 5 p.m. Okay. Yes, Arshia.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम हमने PDF सेंड करना है आपको?
Yes, see one more part. In the sixth part, whenever you add any number to 0, answer will be always 0. Oh, sorry. Answer will be minus 2 by 3. That same number. If you multiply, then answer will be 0. And if you add, you will get same number. If I add 1 plus 0, answer is 1. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. So in the same manner, minus 2 by 3 plus 0 will be minus 2 by 3. If multiplication is there, then answer must be 0. Next part is in mixed fraction form that we are doing. that is minus 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5. Okay, now add them. Firstly, you will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. 4 5s are 20 plus 3 23 by 5. LCM of these is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 7 5s are 35. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 69. So subtract them. That will be of addition because 69 is greater than 35 and the answer will be 2 4 by. Is it okay? Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is of subtraction. So first question is 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. You have to subtract them. For subtraction, what you will do, yes, listen one thing. In case of addition and subtraction, you always have to take LCM. LCM is compulsory. Okay? But in case of multiplication and division, need not to take LCM. You will just directly cancel out the term for the multiplication. In case of this, the LCM of these two terms must be 72. You can check it by dividing, but LCM is 72. 72 divided by 24 is 3. 3 sevens are 21. 72 divided by 36 is 2. 17 twos are 34. So subtract it. Minus 13 by 72. See one more part. 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21. Minus minus is plus. 6 by 21. LCM of these two terms is 61. If you want to check it, you can check it by dividing it with the prime numbers. LCM must be 63. 63 divided by 63 is 1. 5 ones are 5. 63 divided by 21 is 3. 6 threes are 18. 23 by 63. Is it okay? Fifth part, minus 2, 1 by 9 minus 6. 2 nines are 18 plus 1 19 by 9 minus 6. LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 19 ones are 19. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 6 are 54. Minus minus is plus. So you will add them. 73 upon 9. Divide them. Minus 8 1 by 9. Minus 8 1 by 9 is the answer. Please read it out once. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Do the third part. Start third part. Any doubt in this question number 2, beta? Now let's start with the next question, that is of multiplication. In case of multiplication, we can't take LCM. 9 by 2 multiply by minus 7 by 4. Multiply them 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. Cancel out the terms if possible. Here it's not possible to cancel out the terms, numerator with the denominator, not possible. So directly multiply them. 9 sevens are 63, 2 fours are 8. Now divide them. 8 sevens are 56, 7 by 8. Actually 8 eights are 64, na? So this is less than 64, so you have to take a lower multiple. So 64 से less आ रहा है 56. 8 sevens are 56. तो 63 minus 56 करके 7 आ गया. ये क्या होता है बच्चे, ये आपको पता है? This is quotient. ये क्या होता है? Remainder upon divisor. Minus quotient divise remainder upon divisor होता है. ठीक है? जो यहाँ पे divisor है, that will be same. Only this you have to learn. This is quotient. This is your remainder. See one more part. 3 by 10 multiply by minus 9. Nothing is given in the denominator, so I have written at 1 at its place. Cutting, it's not possible to cancel out. Minus 27 upon 10. 2 7 by 20. Mixed fraction. Is it okay? 27 divided by 10. 10 twos are 20. Remainder is 7. Okay, is it okay? Yes, Drishti.
मैम आपने तो 7 by 20 लिख दिया.
अच्छा. 10. Denominator will be same. Okay, thank you, beta.
मैम और होमवर्क में आपने वो सेकंड पार्ट लिखा है कि थर्ड पार्ट?
Second and fourth.
ओके
And
मैम,
fourth of
थैंक
each
यू.
question. Minus 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 3. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Minus minus plus. So answer is 1. Do third part. Do third part of this question. Done. What's the answer? Yes, Guneet. Jalash.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer, beta, for the third part.
Ma'am, answer.
Guneet.
मैम minus 54 over 55.
Yes. Mixed fraction.
मैम
Mixed
proper
fraction.
fractions.
Okay. Yes, it is proper. So you can't change it to mixed fraction. Okay. Very good. Now let's start with the division. In case of division, you all know that firstly you will convert that to multiplication, then you will cancel out the terms. So let's start with the multiplication. Question number 4. Minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. Yes, keep this thing in mind. In case of the division, you will always make the reciprocal of the second number. First number minus 4 by 1 will remain same. Divide will change to multiply, and 2 by 3 become 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Answer is minus 6 by 1. So you can write just minus 6. Next is minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. In case of division beta, you will write the first number same. Division will change to multiply. 2 by 1 become 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3. 5 twos are 10. Answer is minus 3 by 10. I'm solving fourth part. Third part you will do at your own. After this, I will give you time so you can solve that part. Minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Minus 1 by 8, divide will change to multiply. 3 by 4 become 4 by 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Answer is minus 1 by 6. 1 ones are 1.
Answer of third.
What?
Answer of third part is minus 4 over 15.
Minus?
Answer of third. 4 over 15.
Which part? Beta, third part you are saying?
Third. Yes.
Okay, okay, yes. All of you, please do the third part of the same question. First, second, and fourth I have done. Please start third part. Start third part, hurry up, beta. Next is fifth part, minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. Minus 2 by 13, divide will change to multiply. 1 by 7 becomes 7 by 1. 7 twos are 14 by 13. Convert this to mixed fraction. Answer is minus 1, 1 by 13. Solve the sixth part. Solve sixth part, hurry up, beta. Tomorrow you have test of this chapter in the form of MCQ. So be prepared for the test. Test will be shared at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Minus 7 by 12 divided by minus 2 by 13. First term will be same. Divide will change to multiply. 2 by 13 become 13 by 2 with minus. Minus minus will be plus. No cancellation will take place. 13 sevens are 91. 12 twos are 24. Is of plus. Now divide it and get the answer in the mixed fraction. Yes, who will tell me? Answer. Answer. Yes. Arshia. Answer of this after division. 319 by 24. Please check it out. Is it okay? Start the next part, seventh part. Start seventh part. Three by 13 divided by minus 4 by 64. Divide will change to multiply. First term will be same. This will become minus 65 over 4. 13 ones are 13, 13 5. 5 threes are 15 by 4 with minus. 4 threes are 12. Answer is minus 3, 3 by 4. Any doubt? On page number 189, try these is given. What is the reciprocal of minus 6 by 11? Make the reciprocal. Another name of the reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. That is 11 by minus 6, or you can say minus 11 by 6. What is the reciprocal of minus 8 by 5? Minus 5 by 8. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will be numerator. So shift the terms. Another name of reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. Another name of additive inverse is negative. जैसे 2 का negative minus 2. And additive inverse of 2 is also minus 2. Negative है, then make it positive and positive number will be turned to negative. ठीक है? That is called additive inverse, or you can see negative. It is given on page number 186. Additive inverse of minus 3 by 9. 3 by 9. Additive inverse of minus 9 by 11. That is 9 by 11. Okay. So with this, beta, we had completed our chapter number 9. And in the next class, we will start with the new chapter. Homework I have already given. So after completion of this chapter, you will send me your notebook for checking. Okay, beta. See you in the next class. Have a good day.